Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to analyze Bitcoin price trends using TradingView. I will be on here and make sure we'll have logged in. So from the left side you will see the Bitcoin option. I will be just selected and I will be just see the full chart and I will just launch full chart view. So let's see. So right over here, I will be on it, and this is the Bitcoin price analysis. But right now, it will be just 84,000 and something in USDT. And what we're gonna do, I will be just tapping on the left. I will just select it the time about 10 seconds, and let's see in 10 seconds which will the candlestick goes to profit higher or lower. And let's see. So but it will says that if you want to see the market second by second, so you will just have to purchase the plan right over here. But I will be just close it and let's see. I will be just tap on it for the 1 minute and let's see. So if the price goes on this side, you will see the 84,000 something right over here, but you will see in this way right now it will be just in the candlestick goes to the loss in 83,900 something. So in this way you will just have to analyze Bitcoin price trends using TradingView on this chart, and you will be here as the option of the times right over here. You will just select it. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.